Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the health system in India. First is introduction. Community is comprised of on the individual families and groups. Several groups of the peoples with different religion, caste, culture and the customs are living together in community. Common rule and regulations will be there in the community. Community health is the organized form of treatment, protection, or the preventive and health related services. Community is defined as the several group of peoples living in a definite geographical area representing various religion, value, goals, beliefs, interests, and practice. Community health is defined in the broader way as a community organized efforts for maintaining, protecting, and improving the health status of the people. It involves in motivating individuals and families to change patterns of behaviors and to take such action including seeking of medical care as it would enable them to achieve optimum health. Community health nursing has been defined by American Nurses Association 1980. Community health nursing is a synthesis of nursing practice and public health practice applied in promoting and preserving the health of population. The practice is general and comprehensive. It is not limited to a particular age groups or diagnosis, and it is continuous, not an episodic. The dominant responsibility is to population as a whole. Nursing is directed to individuals, families, or groups, contributes to the health of total population health, promotion, health maintenance, health education, coordination and continuing of care and utilized in a holistic approach to the measurement of the health care of individuals, families and group in the community. Next is the organization and administration of health system in India. India is a union 29 state, 7 union territories. Under the Constitution of India, the states are largely independent in matter relating to the delivery of health care to the people. Each state therefore has developed its own system of health care delivery dependent of the central government. The central responsibilities consist mainly of the policy making, planning, guiding, assisting, evaluating, coordinating the work of the state health minister so that the health services cover every part of the country and no state lags behind for want of these services. Organization and administration of healthcare system, and there are the health system in India has the three main links, that is central, state and the local or peripheral. In today's class I discuss about the health system in India and also about the organization and administration of health system in India. Thank you for watching.